Today we are going to see about block diagram of Earth station. Introduction. In today's developing world, satellite communication has emerged as a very popular technique to enable communication via satellite due to their features and adorable advantages. Basically, irrespective of the environment, satellite communication allows the data transmission and reception from any part of the Earth station to any other part with quality and reliability. Due to these reasons, satellite communication has gained huge popularity. Earth station. What is meant by Earth station? Earth station, also known as the ground station, is an arrangement of various equipment on the surface or atmosphere of the Earth that is used to transmit or receive signals in the form of voice, video or data through a single or a multiple satellites. It is sometimes called the Earth terminal and is a part of the ground segment of the satellite network. Types of Earth station. Transmit type. There are three types: transmit type, receive type and transmit receive type. First is transmit type. This type of Earth station is the one that is only designed to transmit the signal towards the satellite and has no arrangement of signal reception. Okay. Next, the receive type. The type of Earth station that simply performs the function of receiving the signal from the satellite and cannot transmit the signal to the satellite in space is known as receiving type of Earth station. Next is transmit and receiving type. Here both the two-way communication, that is we can receive the signal and we can also transmit the signal from satellite and can receive signal from satellite and transmit the signal to satellite also. This is called transmit receive type. This is the block diagram of Earth station where we have a transmitter block and a receiver block. Transmitter block we have encoder, modulator, up converter, high power amplifier, and in the receiver block we have decoder, demodulator, down converter and a low noise amplifier. First we will use the transmitter block to transmit the signal from satellite to antenna. Base signal input is given to the encoder and then it will move on to the modulator block to modulate the signal, and then this and the output is given to the up converter where we can convert the signal from analog signal to a digital signal, and the digital signal output will be given to the high power amplifier, and then it is given to a polarized diplexer where we have antennas connected to that. From the dipolarized diplexer we will give the input to the low noise amplifier where the noise in the output signal will be reduced, where we have high noise it will be reduced to the low noise, and then it is given as input to the down converter where we can convert the digital signal again to the analog signal, and then it is converted to a demodulator and then to a decoder, and finally we get again the baseband signal output. What input we give, the same output without noise can be received in the receiver side. Here is the explanation. The design and the layout of the Earth station are not that critical but are crucial. The reason for this is that the designing must be done in the focusing way so that the station must be able to receive even very weak signals as well as process them to get the actual information. So, designing the Earth station is a most important considerable factor. It is to be noted here that the Earth station should maintain the required signal quality and the design must be a cost effective and reliable. Block diagram of Earth station. The individual block explanation is given here. Encoder. An encoder is an electronic device used to convert the analog signal to a digital signal. The encoder encodes more number of inputs to few outputs. It will receive many number of inputs and the output will be in a few numbers. And next we go for a decoder. A decoder is an electronic device used to convert a digital signal to an analog signal. Where the encoder converts the analog signal to digital signal, here the decoder converts the digital signal to analog signals. It also allows single inputs and generates many outputs, where the encoder gives many inputs and few outputs. Here the decoder receives only single output and receives many outputs. Next is a modulator. Modulator combines microwave signals and the informations. Next is demodulator. Demodulator separates microwave signals and informations. Up converter converts low frequency to high frequency. Next is down converter. Down converter converts the high frequency to low frequency. Antenna. Antenna is used for both transmitting and receiving signals, for transmission and reception of signals from satellite. Next is local oscillator. Local oscillator is an electronic oscillator used with a mixer to change the frequency of the signal. Local oscillator is used to change the frequency of the signals. Thank you.